Matriculation STEM Carnival 2021. Do It Your Science by Team LINA.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Yazlina binti Yazlikan.
Dan saya Wan Haslina binti Wan Muhammad Hashim. Kami daripada Team LINA.
Our team's experiment is Bouncy egg, which is reaction between acid with salt carbonate. For introduction, you need to know that eggshell is made almost entirely of calcium carbonate CaCO3 crystals. It is a semi-permeable membrane, which means that air and moisture can pass through its pores. Shell also has a thin outermost coating called the bloom or cuticle that helps keep out bacteria and dust.
Calcium carbonate is one of the most popular chemicals that can be found in the Earth's crust. It is also found in many forms, such as marble, limestone, and etc. They are also referred as sulfate. It is a non-toxic and odorless compound commonly found as white mineral which occurs naturally in chalks, limestone, and marbles.
Vinegar. Its chemical equation is CH3COOH. It is an aqueous solution of acetic acid and trace compounds that may include flavorings. It typically contains 5 to 8% acetic acid by volume. Usually, acetic acid is produced by the fermentation of ethanol or sugars by acetic acid bacteria. Many types of vinegar are available depending on source materials.
Acetic acid, also called as ethanoic acid, the most important of the carboxylic acid. A dilute solution of acetic acid produced by fermentation and oxidation of natural carbohydrates is called vinegar. A salt ester or acetylene of acetic acid is called acetate.
Apparatus and materials. We need a glass or a container, an egg, and a bottle of vinegar. Firstly, you need to put an egg into a container to make sure the eggshell doesn't crack. Next, you need to fill a container with vinegar until the egg is fully immersed. As you can see, the bubble gas released is actually carbon dioxide gas, which is the product of reaction between acid and salt carbonate. Next, let the egg sit for 24 hours.
Result and observation.
24 hours, you can see that the eggshell is removed from the egg. Next, you need to take out the egg from the container and wash it using tap water and scratch the egg carefully to make sure there is no excess eggshell left on the egg. In this experiment, the outer part of the egg, which is the calcium carbonate, is removed. And what is left is the soft tissue that lined inside of the eggshell. And that is why the egg bounced.
Commercial usage of CaCO3. In construction industry, calcium carbonate is used as a filler in concrete, increasing its durability and appearance to purify metals for use in construction. Largely employed in the pulp and paper industry, it can be used as a filler and pigment, making possible the production of a whiter and higher quality pigment than other minerals. Next, use as fertilizer to provide calcium to plants and pH stabilization of the soil. Used in medicinal industries which manufacture antacids, tablets, and calcium supplements. Commercial usage of CH3COOH. Acetic acid is used in the preparation of metal acetates used in some printing processes. Vinyl acetate employed in the production of plastics, cellulose acetate used in making photographic films and textiles. Next, volatile organic esters such as ethyl and butyl acetates, widely used as solvents for resins, paints, and liqueurs. Acetic acid is an important metabolic intermediate and it occurs naturally in body fluids and in plant juices.
For conclusion, vinegar, which is acid, CH3COOH, breaks apart the solid calcium carbonate crystals, CaCO3, in the eggshell into their calcium and carbonate parts. The product in this reaction is carbon dioxide, which is gas release that can be seen, H2O, which is water, and calcium acetate. And we're done!